Greetings everyone, my name is Emmanuel David Cornelius, a 200 level healthcare management and nursing student of JPTS Institute of Science, Management and Technology in collaboration with South American University USA, Global Wealth University Togo, Pan American College California. I'm currently studying in Makurdi Center. I am here to present a brief seminar paper on the topic perceived socio-cultural factors influencing nutritional status of children below 5 years in Otukpo, Benue State. Nutrition has a great impact and great role to play in the lives of children below 5 years. When the child is well fed, it will make the child very healthy. And when the child is not well fed, it will now make the child to look so malnourished. It can also bring what we call kwashiorkor. Nutrition also has effect or great role to play in the life of pregnant women, in the sense when a woman who is pregnant is eating very well, feeding very well on nutrition, it will make the woman, the fetus, that is the baby in the womb of the woman, to become very healthy. But when the pregnant woman is not feeding very well, it also affect the baby in her womb. Why? Because the baby in her womb feed indirectly from the mother through placenta. So, affect or has a role to play in the lives of lactating mothers. When a woman is breastfeeding a baby, that particular woman needs adequate food which will give her nutrition that will yield breast milk production. But when a lactating woman is not feeding on a good diet, it can reduce the production of milk, of breast milk. On my finding, I was in a hospital, and I came in encounter with a woman that came for antenatal. This woman looked so malnourished, even her baby. The nurse now asked the woman, "Why is your baby like this? Are you not well fed? What's the cause?" The woman told the nurse that it is because of inadequate food. "I will not hide it from you. It is because of the inadequate food we are taking. I and my baby. My husband is not well able to cater for his family." And again, she told us a story that in her husband, that is in her in-laws family, they forbid women that are pregnant of eating meat and fish. Reason being that during delivery, it will affect them. Why? Because it will make the baby to become very fat, thereby affect and make the woman to have a difficult delivery. So some culture, because they are not they don't have money, they are not rich, they are not wealthy, and they don't have good nutrition to take, they now use that to capitalize on it and use culture to cover up. So I encourage parents and husband to take good care of their wife, especially when they are pregnant, so that it will now give and yield good babies and fetus. I hereby encourage, even advise and solicitize for the government to make provision of adequate food so that the mother and the children under 5 years, in order for them to be well fed. Thanks for listening.